Marriage in modern times comes with very unique challenges, which differs from those previously experienced by the generations in the past. There's some of the common struggles that are encountered in marriages today has to do with balancing work and family life, technology impact, mental health and emotional well-being, parenting pressure, financial stress, and communication breakdown. And relationships are constantly under attack, and because these couples have to successfully navigate the complexity of modern marriage by prioritizing communication, adaptability, mutual support. How do we do this in the modern age? Despite these challenges, many couples are really trying to make their marriage and their relationship work. But I must say we all need help. And recognizing these challenges can help partners work together to build stronger and more resilient relationships. And in the light of us needing help to manage and to be able to navigate the complexity of marriage in our times, we are happy to announce that a marriage enrichment event is taking place. This is a transformative marriage enrichment program, which is designed to help couples to reconnect, deepen their emotional bond, communicate with greater understanding, and grow together in love and respect for each other. So we are calling on you, whether you are newlyweds or celebrating decades together. This program offers practical tools and insights to take your relationship to the next level. Don't miss this chance to invest in your marriage. Sign up today and fall in love all over again.